guys, happy Monday. It's 9:45 and I just crawled out of bed because I wanted to sleep as long as possible because I can't eat solid foods today. So, yay for that. But my plan for the day is to obviously stick close to home. If you guys have been watching for a while throughout Vlogmas, you know why. I have a colonoscopy tomorrow, so I have prep today. That's all I'm really going to say about it. I'm going to do a separate video on my colonoscopy experience, so you guys can look forward to that, I guess. But yeah, so I'm going to work on lots of laundry today. I have some editing to do. A few other kind of odds and ends I can do around the house. Just stick close to home, watch lots of Netflix, Hulu. Super fun day ahead of me. Okay guys, so kind of as I anticipated, there has not been anything to share with you today. It's almost 6 o'clock now, so it's been quite a while since I did my little introduction there, but I just gave the kiddos their little advent gift for the day, and they're going to work on a puzzle. You want to show the box? So this is what the puzzle looked like, and when I gave it to them, I kind of said, you know, it's not a great big deal, probably going to be like a little lackluster today, and I gave it to them, and they were both actually super excited to do a puzzle. Weren't you? Hey, can you close that pantry door for me?
Fine.
So they're going to work on this puzzle for a while. Eric is going to be walking in the door any minute from work.
It's already put together.
Careful not to lose any pieces, guys. These boys are gonna work on their puzzle, hopefully without a bunch of fighting, because that is an issue that we face sometimes with these guys, is fighting and arguing.
This never happens.
So they're gonna work on their puzzle. This is the one that I got. I actually picked it up at Dollar Tree. I showed it in my Dollar Tree haul. I don't know if I would consider it Christmassy. Did you guys consider this a Christmassy design? It's the closest thing to Christmas that they had at the store, and I didn't want to go to a different store just to find a certain one, so.
Austin, start collecting side pieces.
Robbie, I already have a...
It doesn't look like these two go together.
Yeah,
these ones don't go with this one.
It looks like it, though.
Yeah, no.
I don't think they do, but I thought they did. I've already got 4 end pieces together.
I have
Can we, like,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
yeah, but they're
10,
not
11,
put
12,
together.
13.
He's just finding all the pieces. Why don't you separate
but
it?
I'm saying put them all.
So, separate all the end pieces from the middle pieces, and we'll see how much of this you guys can get done tonight. You think you can get the whole thing done in one night?
Yeah.
It's 500 pieces, so we'll see. I'll show you guys an update a little later when they get tired of working on it. Good morning, guys. It's Tuesday, the day of my appointment. I'm getting ready to pull out of the driveway. I'm hoping everything that they say about colonoscopies and how the prep is the worst part is true, because that part's already behind me. I'm nervous. Hopefully it goes really well. Hopefully the results are good. Alright, here we go. Alright, you guys, well, the procedure went well, and it's over, so thank God for that. I'm going to do a whole video about my colonoscopy experience. I talked about that already, but overall, the results looked good. They didn't find anything, so I have to go back in 2 weeks for a follow-up, and I mean, I don't know that they didn't find anything, but they didn't have to take any biopsies or anything, so go back in 2 weeks for a follow-up, and hopefully everything is good there. Still doesn't answer our questions as to why I'm having pain, but at least there's no, like, crazy colon cancer or anything, so yay for that. We're at Tim Hortons now. Eric just went inside to get me a coffee, because I haven't had coffee in a little bit. I'm ready for some coffee and some food. We're gonna go across the street to McDonald's, because McDonald's has the best breakfast, at least in terms of where you can drive through. And I'm gonna go home and take a nice long hot shower, and I'm going to have a day of rest and relaxation, much like yesterday, only without the constant running to the bathroom. So today's bound to be a much better day. In case you guys didn't notice, I did combine yesterday with today, the 2 vlogs, because yesterday I took like a minute and a half worth of footage. It wasn't enough for a video on its own. I had intended to just make like a shorter vlog, but not that short. So I just combined the 2, and I'm sure you guys won't mind. But overall, I'm very relieved to have that procedure behind me. Really was not that bad at all. But like I said, I'll do a whole experience video. You guys can look for that in the next week or 2. So I'm very excited for coffee and food and a long shower. Hi guys, so I thought I would check in a little bit. It is just after 1 o'clock now. I've been holding down my couch since we got home. Just sort of working on some stuff. Not editing, because no vlog tonight. I need to actually make a post on YouTube about that. I feel really guilty about it, but again, there's no sense in putting up a 1.5 minute vlog or a 2 minute vlog. So there's that. I've been working some more on our 2019 budget, kind of getting everything set up and ready for the new year already, which is crazy, but we just got a notification in the mail that our lot rent is going up, as it does every year. So I was adding that into the budget and just kind of finagling the numbers a little bit and trying to see, you know, what's what with that. Eric and I are going to sit down this evening and have our little weekly budget meeting. We kind of let that go a lot, and I've just been handling all of the finances, which is totally fine. You know, he trusts me and everything, but I want him to be more involved. So we're going to sit down tonight and go over all the numbers, make sure everybody's happy with everything there for not only our December budget, but for our weekly budget. We're going to start sitting down every week together and figuring out bills and spending money and stuff like that. So yeah, lots of that's cancel.
What do you want to play?
Cancel. Did not say her name. She just thought I did. And now I totally lost track of wherever that thought was going. So, yeah, it's just been a lot of that. I don't have an Advent activity planned for the kids tonight. I totally dropped the ball there, so I'm going to have to come up with something. Let me show you guys the progress on the puzzle, because they worked a little bit on the puzzle, not too much. It's taken them longer than they thought. So that's how much of the puzzle that they completed, and I keep having to shoo the cat because he keeps trying to jump up here, and he's going to have all the pieces gone before they get a chance to put it together. But they worked together on this. There was no fighting at all, which is amazing because my kids fight like cats and dogs. So pretty happy with that. But that was yesterday's activity. So they'll probably maybe just work on the puzzle some more tonight and have some hot chocolate or something and kind of cheat the system a little bit, because I didn't really plan for anything. I was a little preoccupied with my procedures. So. Alright guys, dinner time. We're having the chicken fajitas that I started the other night and Eric finished. They look really good, so I'm going to eat that. We're watching Grimm right now, which is a show that my husband likes, not necessarily me, but that's okay. We're watching that. Working on laundry, and that's how we're spending our evening.